It's normal to feel nervous or anxious before writing an exam or a job interview. With anxiety disorders, people experience excessive anxiety and they're unable to control or manage this. For example, some people worry incessantly over everyday concerns, or people may experience specific fears and start avoiding situations. Anxiety disorders worsen over time to the point that quality of life is very affected. This is so unfortunate because they are so responsive to psychologically based treatments. With health anxiety, people become very worried over their health following a diagnosis of a health condition. Often uncertainty is the worst time, and once people receive more information, facts about their condition and what can be done, they begin to find a way to cope. Techniques to help reduce feelings of anxiety include relaxation, such as meditation, yoga, or specific relaxation CDs. If people are unable to manage their anxiety, psychologists are able to assess and diagnose anxiety disorders and to recommend or provide the most effective psychotherapeutic treatments to help reduce the thoughts that are contributing to the feelings of anxiety. This is what helps give the control over anxiety back to the person.